Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade using Exness Mobile App. To get started, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main navigation and all available options. If you are already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. Taking a moment here to confirm that everything has loaded properly can help make the trading process smoother. Once you are inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view available instruments and begin placing a trade. The bottom menu is designed to help you move quickly between key areas of the app, and the Trade tab is the one you will use when you want to open a market position. After that, tap on the sample symbol shown on the screen. This symbol represents the asset or market you want to trade. Selecting the symbol is an important part of the process because it tells the app exactly which market you are about to interact with. Before continuing, it is always a good idea to quickly confirm that you have selected the correct symbol. Next, tap on Buy or Sell. This choice depends on the direction you expect the market to move. If you believe the price may go up, you would choose Buy. If you believe the price may go down, you would choose Sell. This is the point where your trading decision is applied, so it helps to pause briefly and make sure you are choosing the option you intend. You will then need to enter the required data to place the trade. Fill in the necessary trading details shown in the app carefully. This may include values related to the order setup, so review everything closely before moving on. Accuracy matters here because the information you enter determines how your trade will be executed. Taking an extra second to double-check the details can help avoid mistakes. Once you have entered everything and you are satisfied with the setup, tap on Confirmation. This final action submits your trade based on the details you selected. After confirming, the app should process the order and complete the action. And that is how to trade using the Exness Mobile App. As a final tip, always review your order details before confirming any trade, especially when using a mobile screen where it is easy to tap quickly. Following these steps carefully can help you place trades more confidently and accurately.